Yo, what's up everybody? I just finished editing the last video and got it posted for you guys. Back up at the shop so we can make some more moves. We got the homie Juju Fab up in here, yee yee. We're gonna try and finish up with this exhaust on here. So we're gonna clean up some stuff, finish welding since I ran out of wire. We got the new spool up in the welder. So we're gonna clean this up, finish welding that little piece down there, and then get to doing what we gotta do to make this angle right through here, drop it down there, and get it cut down so it's not like sticking out of everything, you know? But yeah, so let's get to cutting and grinding and welding and the way we do. Alright, so we got this completely welded around. What I'm going to do later is weld around here and here, but not in this area. I weld that from the inside so I can still get a bolts for it in and out. And what I did now is I put it back up and I marked it, and I'm just going to take a big hammer and bang it right here to try and clear that as much as possible, and then see how that works, and then go ahead and get this cut off where it needs to be. And if I'm up to it, maybe go up in the attic and get the bumper out and place a bumper on it to try and work that angle coming out the bumper. So we'll see. The main thing is clearing this right here.
Hit up that inside, dog.
Legit just happened.
What just happened? Oh, this man.
Legit guy just
This man just ripped
out
his
of my pants.
Jesus.
Oh, nice. We had to drill some holes in it, put some zip ties in it.
Is that right?
Yeah, I got a whole pack too. I just got them.
Oh, there they are.
Oh well, let's get to it. It's all welded up. Plenty of clearance right here. And then it comes down to right there. See, right there. All the way up. So, yeah. Exhaust is pretty much done on the Accord.
A little bit of Hector.
I'm gonna start the Accord. See how it sounds with this.
once again scared the dang crap out of me.
That was awesome. I can't wait to see that footage. Oh, man. That sounds nasty, though. I like it. I gotta get out of here. It stinks. Yo, what y'all think of that? That thing was nasty, just popping away, you know? Super, super rich. I know you guys saw it smoking. Definitely needs to get tuned. But the smoke that was coming from back here is because we have some leaks still from a few places here that's not connected on stuff. But that's why you saw a lot of smoke around there. And obviously the car's, you know, paint's getting burnt off of it, things like that still. The coating on the manifold, stuff like that. But it started, shot some flames from the exhaust and through the wastegate. I think it sounded gnar AF. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of that. You know, we're making progress on the Accord. We're getting there. Haven't made it to a junkyard to get that bolt for that rear coil so I can put that on. I got to get a clutch line still for it. Then we get the whole car on the ground. I got to get this cable here for the starter cable, you know, because it's broken right here where it will slide into here and bolts in. So yeah, if anyone has one, they want to donate it, let me know down in the comments or hit me up on Instagram. But yeah, I'm stoked. The Accord's going. It's getting there. It's been a long journey, but slowly but surely she'll get there. Yeah, me and Juju's gonna end this video here, you know. So we'll catch you on the next one. Go home and just chill since we already posted today. So we're ahead of video. And if I had time tomorrow after work, come back up here and get some more stuff done. Maybe I can get out a little earlier, try and hit a junkyard to get the parts to get this car on the ground. But for now, that's gonna be it for this one. And like always, please like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification button so y'all get notified when we post. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace! Yo, alright everybody, so I'm making this after the video. I noticed it wasn't long enough, so I'm gonna add a little to it because I wanted to mention this anyways. I've noticed since that last video I posted, everyone really wants to see the G23 swap. So what I'm gonna do, so it's easier to calculate how many people want to see what, I'm gonna put a post on my community on YouTube. If you guys want to see the H22, the G23, or the F23 build. So that's what I'm gonna end up doing. So I'll get this edited tonight, get that up and everything for you guys, and then we'll go from there. It'll be a built F23 block with a built H22 head, or we can do just a fully built F23 or a stock H22 with a built head on boost, either way. So yeah, it's up to you guys. I mean, I know what I want to do. Let's just see what you guys would like to see, and I would definitely put that in consideration when I make my decision, you know? So just let me know, and we'll go from there. And either way, whatever we do, it's going to be boosted, because, I mean, it is what it is. So, yeah. And then if you guys want to see it in another chassis, that engine, let me know down in the comments as well. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.